Alright guys, so in the last video we have learned how to redirect the user to the individual course page using its URL slug. Now we will at first design this page. So let me copy the URL and then we will go to our IDE. I will now paste and then make this page working. I will at first ask the LLM model to make the page working so that we can see what are the things that could be displayed on our page. So at first we will make this page working. Once it is up and running, then we will improve the design of this page. We will now go to the Neon console and then we will go to courses. So here is the course. We need to create one more table for updating the modules of the course. Okay, let us simply go here and we will accept it. We will then reload the page and we can see something gets loaded, but immediately the page is broken. We will now click on the inspect and then we will click on console. Let us see what is the issue. Star is not defined. Let us now copy it. We will accept it and we will deny it. The page does not open. Let me stop it and then I will send this prompt once again. Let us go to course. Now we can see the course is working perfect. Okay, what you will learn, course description, prerequisites, everything is working perfect. So we will go to this course, full stack React. Let us close it. We will go here, React Native for beginners, and we will go to courses. Let us see React Native for beginners. This one. Course category ID, video, instructor name, total lessons, total duration. Okay, perfect. Okay. Let us reload it once again. We will go to courses once again. And this time we will open this one. And then I will then choose Cloud Sonnet 4.6, make the page in good in international standard. So let us revise the design. The device is already good. The design is already good, but we are asking it to make some more amendments so that it looks more better. So once this page is done, then we will again go to marketplace and we will then create the individual product page. We will also go to home, and on home we can see the featured courses. If I now go here, okay, that thing has also been done. Perfect. We will now go to the course and let us see. We will go to course description. So description is only of a few words. So this is why this portion is not looking that good. Okay, perfect. Let us now go here. And we have to wait for some more time, I think. Let us again reload the page. So now the design is looking good, but the problem is the purchase card. Okay, this card should be floating, but right now it is fixed. And this is why the project is not looking good. Let me take a screenshot of this page and then we'll paste it here. The enroll now card appears twice. We will go to courses and then we will check another course. We'll go to curriculum. So I think in the curriculum, the data are just dummy data. We will go to courses again and check a new course, Python for data science, this course. Okay, let us accept it. And this time I can see everything is looking perfect. Okay, but this section is totally blank. So later on, we should think how to utilize this section. But for the time being, I'm not making any changes over here. So let's do one more thing. Overview curriculum requirements. We will now tell on the right side of a hero section, or maybe in this page, I want to link products, link the course with a product from our marketplace. This section, this relation to be at first available on the DB table and then show it on the single courses page. So we are using the same model Claude Sonnet 4 and we will wait for a few minutes. And at first there will be one new column over here so that the products and the courses could be linked, because what I want here is that if someone is interested in doing this course, and for this course if we need to buy anything from the marketplace, immediately we should be able to sell those products directly from the course page itself. So if someone is interested to purchase this course, at the same time he should be able to purchase the materials or the product which is available on our marketplace. Okay, so we will wait for a few more minutes. Okay, so the migration is now completed. We will go to the Neon console. Let us reload. And on the extreme right side, I should be able to see the link. Okay, let me reload it once again. I think there is some issue with the Neon console. Okay, let me go to Neon console once again. Or maybe we can simply go here, search NeonDB, click on the website. Okay, so I think there is some issue with the internet or maybe with their server. I'm not sure why I am getting this error. Anyways, let me now accept it and we will go to our website. We will then go to courses and then click on any course. All the things are looking pretty perfect. The only thing is that we have to link the product from here. So once we link the product with this course, after that, we can create the individual product page. Okay, now we can see course not found. Let me accept it. And then we will go to courses. Click on the first course. We can see course not found. We will again go to courses and click on the first course. I think we need to wait some more time. Okay, let us go to courses and we can see course not found. So let me change the model to Flash. We see course not found. All right, so it is now trying to open the API in a new browser. I just allowed the access. We will now go back here and check. So these are the details which it received. It will now analyze the problem and check for the issues. We will now go to our Chrome, then click on courses, and then I will click on any of the course. Okay, still the same thing. Let us now close this project and I will run the project once again. Let us now go to courses and click on the first course, but still we can see course not found. Okay, so now I can see the course is loading fine. Everything is now fine. We just have to link the product. Course loading fine, but link product not loading. We have to link the product which is already on our marketplace directly on this page. Okay, perfect. So now we can see that the component marketplace assets we can see here. So we need to change the title of the companion marketplace assets. So we'll go here, we'll change the header and let us name it by source codes of this tutorial. Done. Let us now reload it. By source code of this tutorial, we can see that this is loading fine. All right, let us go to courses and the third course. Okay, by course source code of this tutorial, everything is now loading fine. So in the next video, we will go to marketplace and create a very nice page for the individual product. Okay, thank you for watching. Let us meet in the next lecture.